Hi, it's Paul here from the technical sales team, and today we're going to have a look at the new dashboard inside of Geocortex Workflow Designer. This dashboard allows you to pick the viewer application type that you're building the workflow for, and then customizes the design experience accordingly. Let's jump in. So generally, the activities listed in Geocortex Workflow will play nicely in different environments, but there are some things to be aware of when working with different viewer applications. So for example, Esri's Web App Builder and Geocortex Essentials use the 3x ArcGIS API for JavaScript. Geocortex Web and ArcGIS Experience Builder use the 4x ArcGIS API for JavaScript, while Geocortex Mobile actually uses Esri's 100x ArcGIS API for .NET. So each of these environments handle expressions differently, as well as they have their own unique viewer commands available. So our documentation has some great tips and tricks for creating Geocortex workflows in different environments, but there's also a handy dashboard, as I mentioned off the top, that within Geocortex Workflow Designer that will allow you to customize your design experience specifically for the viewer application you're working with. Okay, so if we hop over into Geocortex Workflow Designer, this is the dashboard here that I mentioned. So inside this dashboard, we have those options to create a Geocortex workflow for a given viewer application. So if I were to hop into the ArcGIS Web App Builder version of Geocortex Workflow, you can see there that I've got a list of customized activities for Web App Builder specifically. So you can see here 210 of 221. That just simply means that 210 of the total of 221 activities in Geocortex Workflow will work with Web App Builder or displayed in this version of it. So you can see there's a couple of or a few activities that only work with ArcGIS Web App Builder, and they're listed here. So this wouldn't be an option if I chose Geocortex Web, for example. If I hop over into a portal edition, so this instance of Geocortex Workflow I've installed alongside my Portal for ArcGIS instance, you can see that I've got the same options, but I've also got a server-side workflow. So I can, since I'm in sort of internal, I've installed Geocortex Workflow internal to my portal environment, now I can build server-side workflows that more common examples are building workflows for connecting to mail servers or connecting to internal databases and things like that. So you can run server-side activities that run on the server and then possibly feed information over to the client. Finally, we've got an option here on the right that we can sort of customize it. So if we thought, we're thinking we can build a workflow for multiple viewers at the same time, or we want all those options available to me, I can build a workflow that has multiple options within it. So I can display activities specific to Geocortex Web and as well as ArcGIS Web App Builder as well. So I have some options there to customize my design experience. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. Have a good one.
Never miss a Geocortex Tech Tip. Like and subscribe below. And as always, you can learn more by visiting geocortex.com.